Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature of Google Chrome that allows you to manage tab memory usage more effectively. If you've ever found the memory usage information on your tab hover cards distracting or unnecessary, you're in luck. With the latest update, you can easily hide this information. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the main menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look at the left sidebar and find the Appearance section. Click on it to open up more options related to how Chrome looks and behaves. In the right pane, you'll see several options under Appearance. Here's where it gets interesting. Look for the toggle labeled Show Tab Memory Usage. By default, this feature may be turned on, displaying memory usage information whenever you hover over a tab. To hide this information, simply toggle the switch to the off position. Once you do this, you'll notice that any memory usage details will immediately disappear from your tab hover cards. This not only declutters your browsing experience, but can also enhance performance by reducing visual processing. If at any point you decide you want to see that memory usage information again, just follow these steps back to the same toggle and switch it back on, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage how much information is displayed in your Chrome tabs, tailoring your browsing experience to your preferences. Enjoy a cleaner and more efficient browsing experience with Google Chrome.